L-Arginine is a widely used amino acid in sports nutrition, recognized for supporting nitric oxide production, circulation, and muscle performance. However, formulating with conventional L-Arginine presents challenges, including high dosage requirements, strong bitterness, and moisture sensitivity, which can affect stability, processing efficiency, and overall consumer experience. That's where encapsulation makes a difference. At Umang Nutraceuticals, our encapsulated L-Arginine is engineered to overcome real formulation barriers. Through customized encapsulation systems, we help enhance stability and solubility, reduce taste challenges, improve visual appeal, minimize ingredient incompatibility, and protect the active from environmental stress factors such as moisture, heat, and oxidation. We offer tailored solutions based on your formulation needs, including customized particle sizes, color options, and release profiles such as immediate release, sustained release, and delayed release. L-Arginine Beadlets are suitable for a wide range of nutraceutical applications, including gummies, tablets, capsules, protein powders, whey protein, sachets, and both hot and cold beverage systems. Connect with us today to request a free sample or develop a customized solution aligned with your formulation goals.